Alright, so tell me, you just test rode this bike. What do you think of it?
I think it's really a fun bike to ride.
Right?
Definitely enjoyable. Got a lot of power to it.
Is it torquey? Do you like the torquiness of it? Do you like the handling? What do you like?
It's not really torquey down low. It doesn't really start to make power until like the mid-range. And
so you think this is more mid-range and
yeah,
higher rev bike? Okay.
Yes.
And how do you like the handling of it?
It feels extremely planted. It could be because of the Olin suspension, but it feels like extremely planted. I didn't check the
really?
weight on
Okay.
it, so I don't know how much it weighs, but
Sure.
it feels really stable.
Looks like they've used carbon fiber stuff and things of that nature on the body. The styling looks really nice, you know?
It's almost like that Washington Commanders look.
Huh?
Almost like that Washington Commanders look.
Yeah, it does. It does look like Washington Commander, yeah.
You know?
You know, right?
Yeah, styling is beautiful. Definitely one of a kind looking bikes.
One of a
when you see it.
Yeah.
The exhaust sounds really great. It's got those beautiful pops to it.
Oh, it does? Okay,
Yeah.
good to know. Okay.
So,
You know?
definitely an enjoyable bike.
So when you took it for your test ride, how far did you ride it? Like a mile, 2 miles, 3 miles?
Took it about maybe total 3-4 miles.
3-4 miles? Okay.
So I couldn't really get too.
So how do you like the brakes and things of that nature?
The brakes are extremely responsive. And
They are? Okay.
Work really well.
There is, okay.
Work
And
really well.
the gear changing, was it smooth, easy, or what on this?
For me, I kept finding neutral from first to second a lot.
Oh, really?
And I did miss a shift once, so
Okay.
that could take some getting used to.
Okay.
I don't blame the bike on that, but that was for me.
Because you're not used to it, so there was a little bit of adjustment on there, right? That's what you're thinking,
Yeah,
right?
definitely.
Okay.
But that was the only flaw I really had with the bike was the shifting. But
The shifting
That
that
was just- that's
you
something-
experienced, right?
yeah, you hone in on that when you actually own the bike and you get to ride it day in and day out.
Exactly. Then you'll be fine.
You
You'll
know
be
exactly
like
how to use it.
you will have no problem with that. Okay,
The
cool.
first ride, it was easy to ride. Definitely,
Good.
you could jump on the bike and ride it easily.
Good. Let's come over here. You rode this as well, right?
I did.
Alright, so let's look at this bike. What do you like or dislike about this?
This bike
You know?
had more low end torque.
It had more low end torque? Okay.
Yeah. Honestly, dislikes about this bike, I really didn't dislike anything about the bike.
Okay.
Got cruise control on it. I played with that on the way back. I took them both on the same route.
Okay.
Used cruise control. The forward foot position was different. Very comfortable. I like that.
Okay.
That exhaust sounds better, but this exhaust still sounds good. More
Okay.
like a muscular sound.
Okay. Obviously, those are totally two different styles of bike.
Right.
This one and versus that one.
Right.
But just whatever character you can tell us about this in your little demo ride that you had would be helpful for users. You know what I mean? How was the brakes on it? Were they responsive?
Those were definitely better. These brakes felt good.
It felt good.
Actually, they didn't feel great. They felt good.
Good. Okay, that's what I mean. They were good,
They
not
worked.
great.
They
Okay.
worked. Stop the bike.
The gear shifting. How was that on this?
Surprisingly easier to change gears in this one with the more relaxed position.
More relaxed. Okay.
It's easy to change gears. Like I didn't find.
The handling, the front bars and everything else, the turning radius and all that. How did you find that?
It felt really nimble.
Okay.
Turning radius, I didn't really get to take it on a really.
Like curve. You didn't like take the exit or anything like that.
No,
but
I didn't do anything like
no.
that.
But just, you probably made some U-turns on it.
I
Or
made one
something?
U-turn on it, and
Yeah. So how was that U-turn?
U-turn was actually pretty good for me. It felt different because I ride a sport bike, so I'm used to the mid foot position. And
Yeah.
I ride a bike and being up higher, so
Yeah.
the lower center of gravity, it did feel a little bit more awkward, but
Yeah.
once again, something that you ride the bike, you get used to doing.
Okay.
Who do I think's gonna ride this bike? I wouldn't say it's bike for a newer rider with this motor, but this will be like a great for around town, get on the highway. It was very comfortable. Seat felt good.
Yeah.
Position, it was very comfortable.
Now I noticed that the seat is only for one person. It's not for a passenger
Yeah.
to put in the back. I don't know if that's an option or they purposely don't have an option on this one. You know what I mean?
The guy was telling me that you can put two seats up here and the foot pegs will mount somewhere down here.
Yeah.
Something like that.
So this is a 2023 or 2024?
This one is a 24.
Oh, that's
actually, I'm lying. It's 25.
Oh, it's 25?
25.
Oh, wow. So they already had a 25 on that.
Yeah.
Okay.
From what I understand, the cruise controls was new about it.
Oh, really? I don't know. What year was this?
This one was a 24.
Oh, that's a 24?
This one's a 24.
Okay, so that's a 1200 Indian FTR 1200. It's a 2024. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And it's like maybe like a carbon fiber edition or something?
Yep.
Right?
Carbon fiber R says it up here.
Right?
Yep. Carbon fiber R. Carbon
Yeah,
fiber
so it
edition.
must be that edition, right? They may have a 1200 that's not that same styling,
They have
probably,
one
right?
that's painted, but you don't get all the carbon fiber on it. And I don't know if you get this tech display.
Oh, okay.
You don't get the Olin suspension on it either.
Yeah.
So this one's the highest and that top end spec,
Yeah.
the most premium edition.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. Cool.
it's definitely the premium one.
Well, you seem to do a lot of demo rides over here, so it's good to get your experience for users, especially who are coming to do a demo ride here. You know what I mean?
On the right on.
You know what I mean?
Come on down.
No problem. Well, nice meeting you, sir.
Likewise,
Thank you for
man.
your time. You know.
Absolutely.
You know.